Hey guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Pete 389 36-inch flat top fired up today for you. It's a glider kit built with a 12.7 liter pre-elog Detroit 10-speed. It's only got 288,000 total miles on it, 88,000 miles on a complete overhaul, including a head, turbo, and injectors. I believe that they just idled it a little bit more, and it was a Fitz engine to begin with, so it had higher hours whenever it was overhauled, but only just a few thousand hours since it's the engine's been done. Gotten it hot today, gonna fire it up, show you what we got. Good low side oil pressure. Super responsive. Sounds good. See the temps up. Oil pressure's good. Platinum interior. Like I said, it's got the coffin sleeper window in the back. Excellent steers. Engine clean. Body and paint's in really good shape as well. Really good look for a vocational truck. It's not very long. It's got just enough of a sleeper for you. It's a Southern truck too, so no rust. Slider, all aluminum wheels. Basically new. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this one, anything else, feel free to reach out to me at 901-896-4526, or you can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks.